Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make air dry clay at home with simple and easy material. First of all, take 3 tissue paper. Add 2 spoon Fevicol and stir it well until the paper gets melt in the Fevicol. This is chalk powder. You can take it from your nearby hardware store. You can see the consistency is so fine. First add 2 spoons of chalk powder, stir it well and see the consistency. Slowly you should add chalk powder. Don't put together. When chalk powder, leave the bowl and bind it together. Then you take it in your hands. You can see this consistency we need to make the clay. Now take any hair oil, 2 or 3 drops on your hands. You can see it is not sticking on my hands and on the table. Mix this clay at least 5 minutes. Here I am showing you a best technique to make it flexible, and with this step is so much important to do that, because it will make your clay more flexible and it does not break any point after drying. Beat the clay for at least 2 minutes. This will make your clay more flexible. You can make strings for ribbon art also. It will never break. This clay is lightweight. You can use this clay in molds also. Here I have a silicone mold of flowers. Look how smooth and beautiful this clay is looking. Store this clay in an airtight container. You can use it for many months. You can make many projects from this clay and it does not break after drying. All these Gurbani portraits I have made with all the things with this clay. This is my 2 months old clay I have.